So guys, under 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to create this photo effect in Canva. So first of all, let's create our shapes. Add a rectangle and then rotate it to about 40 degrees. Then arrange them to create the perfect shape that you want. Alright, I think our shape is ready now, so we move to apps and then type Shape Cutout. So you see the app in the red background, so select that one and then select the exact design that you want to cut out. So over here we export our design. So once exported, what you have to do is to select the shape that you want to cut. Just click on it to select it, and when you are done, you add it to design. You make sure you delete the old one because it's white and the background is also white. You don't see it, so I'll change the background to black for you to see the cutout that we did. Yeah, so now we can add our image and then put it at the background for us to have that effect that we want. So I'll just make the image as the background. Yeah, so you can move the design around to fit it perfectly, and also the parts of the image that you want to show. So basically that's how it's done. So if you like this, subscribe for more.